St. John, I've called you into this meeting because we have a problem. We've got our seed packets here, beautiful multicolored seed packets. Seeds in here, they've got pesticides, herbicides, insecticides coated on them. And we're finding that they're not selling at all. Do you have any idea that what the problem might be, since you're the head of marketing? Well, Algernon, to tell the truth, I think that we're making a basic mistake here. You see, it's not the seeds that are not selling. The big problem is the packaging. That we're spending a fortune on the packaging of these seeds. That I've looked at our competitors and they're just using normal little sort of brown packages, sometimes those little sort of plastic things, sending the seeds out in there. So they've absolutely no overheads when it comes to sending the seeds out. Whereas we do all this special, printing and full colour printing on our seeds and advertising as well, and it just doesn't seem to be cost effective. Good point, St. John. But this is the way that we've always done it, and we've always had success in the past. And we always have these little add-ons to our seeds, like the pesticides, and then our seeds, they don't really grow if the customer doesn't buy the special fertilizers as well. And that's really sort of the way that we make our money, is all these extra add-ons that customers have to buy to get the seeds to germinate. And you're just suggesting that we go for some sort of simple method of sending out the seeds with none of these peripheries. I don't think it's going to fly with the board. Well, these are cutthroat times, and we need desperate measures to be able to sell our seeds. And that's what I would recommend. Cut down all that fancy printing. No more catalogues. Going online as well. That's what we need to do. Online. And what? Well, yeah, that's a problem as well. That there are these gardeners out there that are doing seed swaps, and they're just bypassing the manufacturers like ourselves who are selling seeds. They just sort of give seeds away to one another. And we need to clamp down on that, I can tell you. That people just sending seeds. We should somehow get the law involved to make it illegal to swap seeds with anybody, because it's doing away with our business. And the quality of the seeds that they're sending, most likely they're breaking the patent laws as well with this seed swapping. So I think we could get them. We could sort of get them all thrown in jail. I think that would be a good idea. St. John, have you thought this through? If we got all the gardeners thrown in jail, then there'll be nobody gardening. And if nobody's gardening, nobody will be buying seeds. And then what will we do? I think we need to sort of think this through a little bit more, because things are getting a bit desperate.